Hello, Code in Place. This is my demo for the Snap Math application, or as I call it, the Snap Math app. And I've been toying around with Python's tkinter package for this project, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's open it. As you can see, we got a mascot, Sam the Otter, who is going to be helping us improve our basic arithmetic and mental math skills. He also comes with instructions. He definitely recommends doing this without a computer because we want to improve our computational abilities, math abilities. We're ready. So you can choose from these number of questions. I plan to maybe update this in a later version, but for now I think it works. Let's choose for simplicity's sake. And here's a short developer's note. As you can see, I definitely need to improve my math skills. I've included a print function that outputs the right answer and the current score. Just typing in some answers. And I definitely need to improve my math. But Sam the Otter is really encouraging. He says that there's always something to learn, and that's what I've definitely learned during my time at Code in Place. So he says keep learning, keep practicing, and don't give up because you are possum. And I've included an exit button. And there we got it. That is the demo for the Snap Math app. Thank you so much. And thank you, Code in Place.